In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go from a basic CSV with your leads company URL, company name, first name, last name, to getting the valid professional emails of your leads in just one drag and drop and one click. You ready? Let's go. This is the typical data you can extract from a CRM. Usually you get company URL, company name, first name, last name, but sometimes you are missing the email of your leads. So how can you make sure that you can enrich your CRM back with the valid email of your leads? That's what I'm going to show you right now. To do so, I'm using Scalelist, which is the #1 LinkedIn Sales Navigator extractor, but they also have a CSV import function that allows you to enrich your leads information such as company URL, company name, first name, last name with valid professional emails. So I'm going to show you how it works. Here we are in the CSV that I want to enrich. As you can see, I have 4 different points of data: company name, company URL, and also the first name and last name of their respective CEOs. To export this data into a CSV, I just need to go into File, Download, and CSV. And now my data has been exported into a CSV. Now that I have exported my CSV with the necessary information to enrich it, I'm going to use my Scalelist free trial. So I got 60 credits that I can use in the next 14 days. To import a CSV into Scalelist, I just need to go in the left-hand side menu, click on Import CSV. And as you can see, I can upload file in CSV or text format. To make sure that Scalelist finds the valid emails of your list, Scalelist recommends you to have minimum 3 columns among the 4 that are mentioned. So first name, last name, company website, very recommended, or the company name. Now let's enrich our data. For that, I'm going to drag and drop the CSV that we downloaded earlier. As you can see, first name and last name are already pre-matched. And now we're going to match the columns with the right fields. So this is the company and this is the website. Once done, we're just going to click on Validate Columns. The 3 leads from our CSV have been imported into Scalelist. I'm just going to give a name and import the 3 leads. Now the import of the data into Scalelist as well as professional email finding already started. It took us only 15 seconds to import and enrich our 3 leads with valid emails, as you can see here. Let's just double check. It's Anton from Lovable. We get Anton at lovable.dev, Florian at Listen Labs. We got Florian at listenlabs.ai, and Youssef from Scalelist. We got Youssef at scalelist.com. I think we are good and we got the right valid professional emails. That super seamless process can help you to enrich all the CSVs that are in your Google Drive and that contain leads but don't have valid professional emails. For all the leads in your CRM that don't have a valid professional email, you can also follow that process. You export them into a CSV, you import them into Scalelist, and you re-import them back into your CRM with, that time, valid professional emails. Now you know exactly how you can enrich all the prospect list that you have and find the email of your prospects. Also, if you are a LinkedIn Sales Navigator user and you want to learn how to export your lead search or lead list, I really recommend to watch this video just here. I hope you enjoy and learn something. I see you in the next one.